How's everybody doing? Welcome back to the channel. It's time for another unboxing. It looks like it's a little bit short week. Only have 8 items. So let's go ahead and start off from the top. Oh, wow. This is a pair of Italy Morn Focus On jogger pants. That's gonna be cool. I could probably wear that hiking too. Oh, and here's another pair. This is also jogger pants, but this is like thicker material. This is more like slightly thinner, and there's a little thicker material. I think slightly different colors. Okay. Everybody needs a pair of jogger pants, right? You probably wear it as a pajama too, or workout pants. Listen here. This is 4-foot toe gel ice pack. So that's to provide soothing healing for your toes. If you have cramped feet or something like that. But you just want to feel like a soothing sensation, considering how hot it is out there right now. And let's pray for the people of Hawaii that was affected. Oh, what? They sent me 2? Did they make a mistake? Probably give one away as a present. Or maybe they want me to put on both feet. That would be kind of awkward. Use as slippers? I don't think so. Seriously, you need to really put something small box like this inside a big box like that? Come on, whoever did the packaging. Talk about waste of space. Oh, Faiachi. Oh, this is a red dot? I think there's a red dot. See? Tactical red dot. Or is that a reflex scope? It's one or the other though. This one feels a little bit heavy though. Oh, this must be the full set of. Let me open this up though. I'll just show you. I think this must be the whole set of the reflex or red dot combo. I think it is. See? Cool. That's gonna be a nice addition to my armament. Home defense. Okay, 2 more to go. This feels a little bit light. At least they put it in a box, so it might be fitting for the shape of the package. Oh, check this out. This looks like a Sopu LED work light. Kind of look like an octopus style work light. So lastly, judging by the size and shape of this box and the weight, it's a pair of shoes. I'm confident in my assessment. Yep, I'm right. Oh, check it out. Your first sneak peek at the Bruno Mark. What is this? Hutchison. And what type of style of shoes is this? Oh, they definitely wrapped this up properly. Oh, snap. Look at how beautiful this monk strap. I really love monk strap shoes because they're elegant, classic design. And look at the beautiful coloring. Ooh. Has a very nice smell to it. So these are my upcoming reviews. Make sure you stay tuned for that. I hope everybody's having a great summer. Make sure you click on the subscribe button for more exciting videos and to help support my channel so we can finally reach 100,000 subscribers. Take care of yourselves.